Hey, what's up guys, it's Super Rockdom over here, and this is the third episode of playing every game and spin the wheel of Roblox. This is the video of separated each games that we played from that series as well. So this is the third episode, which is the game will be Detective Duck, which is I had really fun with my friends and watch Chaotic as well. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I really hope you guys have fun watching it as well. So see you guys on the next episode 4 of playing some games on Roblox series. So roll clip of
So,
Detective
I'm
Duck.
here.
Alright. Nag-welcome pa naman kayong dalawa, so naantay ko kayo. Pio! 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 Vives! Vives! Wag! Pio! Pio! Dito tayo sa apartment tutorial tayo sa bagay dito tayo. Pero kasi pumasok ka agad na bigla na wala ka naman sinabi. Pasok, pasok. Pio!
No, not here. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Get legit, get out, bro.
One moment.
Pio, bilis! Pio! Vives, alis! Leave, leave, leave! Pio!
Okay, finally.
Alright, let's go find some goals.
Look at this.
Next, check your inventory. The folder holds suspects.
Hi, Friday, 2-4 again.
Compare their story with the clues. Interrogate suspects to expose lies. When you're ready to walk, the thief is
I
probably
think it's the plumber.
Pero kasi nga, kapag binindot mo to, the thief is probably a messy person.
And the plumber is known to be
So it's
messy.
a messy person,
And we
plunger.
have a plunger.
And the plumber left the tool behind. And there's the tool right here in the bathroom.
The suspect could have a black hair.
Bro, I feel like it's suspect 3.
Looks like someone forgot something. There's a tool.
This.
Yep, I think it's suspect 3. Like, it's so obvious.
There must be green key somewhere to open this door. Kailangan natin maghanap ng green door. May green key.
I only have a room key. Oh, wait, I have it the whole time.
Oh, come on, man! You can now end of an investigation. Keep your phone and click and tutorial bonus. You have unlimited questions on this map. Need more questions later? You can buy them in the lobby or while playing the other maps. The suspect left hair behind. Always make sure to intake. Oh, there's a crowbar. A crowbar. A tool that blacksmith used to use.
Blacksmith?
Could it belong to
Wait a minute.
Oh, these are leading up to the plunge to the thief.
Hold on. So, hindi pwede janitor, of course. Hindi yun best friend.
think-
Suspect. Okay, wait. Let me see. Suspect 1, suspect 2 is not the suspect.
Definitely.
Suspect 3, suspect 4, suspect 5 are suspect to me. Because there's a crowbar, man. It could be for a blacksmith. And it's visit of...
Okay, here's my theory.
Oh, wait. Suspect 3 or suspect 4? Ay, suspect 5 yung choices ko. Because, ito yung reason ko. So, yung suspect 5 has a black hair and it left a tool and a crowbar. And it says over here, works as a blacksmith and known to be a messy. And there's a vase over here that could be a messy to him.
Very nosy but clean. Asked about victim.
Hold on. I have a
Suspect
theory.
4 parang hindi na pwede. Hindi na siya pwede.
Suspect
Pero yung suspect 3 and 5 na talaga.
Suspect 1, 2, and 4, di pwede sila. Alam ko na yun.
Alright, here's what my theory. I think suspect 5 or
Yeah,
together with
I think the
suspect
suspect 3 has no
That's
hair.
my theory.
Anyways, alam na namin na ako na yung gagawin namin ni viewers.
Okay,
Oh.
both suspects.
Tsaka let's not ask janitor, the best friend. Let's ask the friend. Ask questions first. Where were you Friday at 2 to 4 p.m.? I was at the party,
at home.
closed down, left,
Honestly,
late, went
I
straight
can't
to...
believe this
Yung
is
safe.
happening.
You know about the safe? A safe? No, the victim never mentioned the safe to me. Being a black safe, could you open a... What kind of question is that? I make two, so I don't track safe. That's a ridiculous question.
Let's try the plumber.
Okay.
No, the victim never mentioned a safe to me. Huh?
Ask questions. How long did it take to fix the toilet? A while. The victim was always losing things, even dropping their keys down there once. Had to fish them out. Home, sleeping. My back was killing me from the toilet job. Oh, blast? That's mine, isn't it? I must have left it. About the screwdriver. You think I opened the safe with that? Look at the damage. A simple screwdriver didn't do that. Okay. How about this? Vives.
Wait lang. I think it's the friend. It has to be siya. My black hair siya.
Well done, detective. You caught the right one. See,
Yee!
told you. Welcome
Wait,
to the
wait, wait, wait,
jewelry
wait.
store.
Store.
A robbery has happened here at 10:30 a.m.
today.
today. Click and tap object to interact. Inspect the map closely. The environment reveals the suspect's habit.
Huh?
Find clues and then identify the thief. Good luck. Hey guys, there's a footprint over here.
Broken glass.
Should we interact here?
Ooh.
Hey guys, there's some note. The thief used this
Yeah.
van to break into the jewelry store. The one king found the cash register key inside the
On
bin.
the cash register key.
Ayan, yun na sinabi. Clone na
Cash register click loan in trash can.
2550.
6-7.
Are you serious right now?
W.
Uy.
Okay, so what have we got so
So
far?
that's the stuff. Oh, pre, dito kaya. Dito kaya. Shit. Oh, wait. Hold on. It says here, suspect 1, Tyler the Vandal. So may spray paint dito.
Paint on hands, body gray.
Oh, whoa. I
Smells like
found a robbery plan.
huh?
Robbery starts at 10:30 p.m.
Can I
About
see?
7 minutes till police arrives. Turn off electricity. Turn on the doors.
You have 7 minutes till police arrives.
Okay.
Someone lost their ID card while running. So, si Tyler, spray painter, naiwan yung ID niya. The one already crashed into the light bulb. Oof.
Sample. Got a fingerprint sample. I got a fingerprint sample.
Pia. Buksan mo dito, pagsan mo dito. Oh, wait,
There.
never mind.
Wait. I got a fingerprint sample.
Alright. Susi.
I have one.
Open mo.
Electric pan.
Ano? Gumana? Four, three, two, zero.
Someone lost their ID. Running. Tyler.
Uy!
Whoa.
What's the code?
There's no electricity.
Fine. Here.
So, kailangan natin ng electricity, boys.
Gosh, we have power.
CCTV.
That's what we need.
Wait! Oh man!
10:40 a.m. That's most likely a businessman.
I got it. Scanning.
Denim. So, tama nga ako.
Businessman.
Damn it, the businessman.
Investigation.
And
Okay.
exactly who it is.
Last questions muna tayo.
Right,
Where were you at
businessman.
the I was at my office. Working on my business. No.
Hey,
Businessman.
But, bro, he lied. He lied into my face.
oh my.
His business broke down. Remember that, right?
Hey,
Yeah.
Enter into lobby. Woo! Great job, boys.
boom.